Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we've got an exciting new product to try out. We've got 12 new colours in the Photochromic range and they're all nice pastel watercolours. So let's get these tried out. So first we're going to start with the first colour, which is Bubblegum Burst, which is a nice pinky colour. I'm going to give these a couple of coats because they do go on quite translucent. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp for 30 seconds and give them a couple of coats to see how well they cover. Second coat. So I'm going to give that a third coat just because these discs are see-through. I want it to cover quite. The next one is Love Lust, which again is quite a nice pinky colour. The next one is Orchid Bloom, which is an orangey colour. Again, it's quite a translucent shade, so it goes on quite see-through. The next one is Ouch, which is a nudie creamy colour, pinky. The next one is Water Blossom, which is like a brownie mocha colour. The next one we have is Sunset, which is a nice, looks like a bright yellow. The next one is Changing Seasons, which looks like a lime green. The next one we're going to use is Purgatory, which is like a khaki, like a khaki greeny browny colour. The next one we have is a green Southern Vineyard. The next one we have is Limbo. The next one we have is Ultraviolet, which is like a nice tealy colour. Then we have Twilight. I'm going to top coat all of these. Cue them for 60 seconds. I quite like them like that, as in like a colour wheel. So there are our 12 colours without any UV light on them. So what I'm going to do is pop each colour under the lamp individually just to let you see the comparison. So this one is Bubblegum Burst, which is the first one. Goes for a nice dark purpley pink colour. Then we've got Love Lust, which is the more pinky of the two, and that goes like a deep fuchsia purple. Third one's Orchid Bloom, which is the orangey one, and that turns nice bready pinky colour, bready orangey actually. Then we've got Ouch, which is the creamy nudie one, and that goes a nice pinky purple. Then Water Blossom, which is the brownie ocre type, and that goes a deep purple, maroony purple colour. Then we've got Sunset, which is that nice yellow, and that goes a nice red, tequila sunrisey colour, or sunset. Then we've got Changing Seasons, which was that lime green, yellowy colour, and that goes an orangey red. Then Purgatory, which was the khaki greeny colour, and that goes blue. Oh, that's nice. Then we've got Southern Vineyard, which is that green, bright green colour, and that goes a nice deep purple. Then we've got Limbo, which is the other green, and that goes a purpley bluey navy type colour. Then Ultraviolet, which was that tealy turquoisey colour. Oh, and that goes a really nice, that's more of a Cadbury purple. And then we've got Twilight, which is our last colour, which is like a purpley grey colour. And that goes bluey purple. So they have 12 new photochromatic colours, all in a nice range of pastel watercolour type colours that are really pretty on. I would be suggesting maybe 2 or 3 coats per nail, because obviously these are a see-through colour pop, so you'll never get a true reflection of the colour. But once they actually change that colour, it's really, really nice and really pretty. It'd be lovely for summer holidays, or when you go abroad, or when you fancy going on the sunbed and scaring yourself. So there you have it. These are available now on the Neo Nails website, so if you'd like to check them out, head over to the website and they'll be in the new products section. A link will be left in the description box below, along with each of the products that we've used. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment in the comment box below. And if you get your hands on some of these, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye!